We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be looking at this 330-gallon smoker, 2-door with counterweights and double racks. In the front we have our standard jack and hitch. On the side we have our 2 doors and our dual racks. Top racks measuring 42 by 22 and the bottoms measuring 42 by 28. The doors also include these cool touch handles and our temperature gauges. In the front we have our work table. We also have one 3,500 pound axle on 15-inch rims. In the front we have our temperature gauge on the warm box. Inside we have 2 warming plates measuring 20 by 30. On the bottom, we have our air vent. In the back, we have our wood box. And on the side, we have 2 additional vents. We also have LED brake lights. On the top, we have our smoke outlet. We also have this mesh box. And on each door, we have its separate counterweight. If you have any questions, please call us at 615-641-7720.